Aries, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting the week of 7th Feb. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch the roles if you want. However, for me, the sign that I'm doing this video for always lies in the top row. Now, let's quickly see what the cards show for you for this week. Okay. Now, what I see for you here is you have the Page of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Your person has the Death card, Ten of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Cups. It means that either you or your person, both of you, have a very lazy energy right now where you don't want to go ahead and do anything. You want to just sit there and relax. Okay. Now, what I see for you here, Aries, is you have the Page of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Now, the Queen of Wands is fire energy, so you show up in your own reading. Okay. And wands also reflect fire energy. Okay. Now the Page of Wands, Pentacles shows that you want to have a very steady relationship with this person and you want to go slow. So Page are very naive, very immature energy that you might be having. Now also that I go ahead and see for you is that you have the Two of Wands. Now it is possible, and that's again not for everybody, for few of you, that there are two options that you have in your current situation. Okay, either it could be two jobs, two people, two situations. Okay, you can go ahead and relate it to your own situation. Okay, now you are taking very small steps like a small child because you're not very sure which one is best for you, and that's why you are taking those very small steps. Okay, and you have that childlike energy. Now what I see is you have also the Queen of Wands energy. Now the Queen of Wands is somebody who's very attractive, very sexual, very passionate. Okay, a lot of people vibe for your attention, so you know that a lot of people want your attention. Okay, and that is something that you are very confident about yourself. However, at this present moment, it definitely looks like that you have two options that you have to choose from. Now what your person has is the Death card, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. So your person has to go through some transformation. Okay, wherein they want to have the Ten of Pentacles, a very stable kind of a relationship, the family kind of a home life situation with you, with the wife, the kids, the dog, the car is what something that they are aiming for. But in order to get that, the Wheel of Fortune has to turn in their favor. It has to move and it has to turn in their favor for them to go ahead and get this. Now let's also see what is the intention of this person. Spirit, can I take one card to see what is the intention of this person for this week? Now can I take one card here, Spirit, to understand what is the intention of this person? Can I take one card here, please? Spirit, can I take one card, please? Okay, the intention of this person, again, if you see, is the Two of Pentacles. Now I have the Two of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, so it's a very high chance that one of you or either both of you have two options. Again, could be in the form of people, situations, jobs, anything. Okay, and that is what you are not sure of, or the other person is not sure of, and that's where all this confusion might happen this particular week. Spirit, can I take one more? Yes, this person is going through the Nine of Swords because they don't know which option is best for them. Okay, and that's something that is causing a lot of anxiety to them this particular week. They are having those sleepless nights because they're trying to understand and think which one is best for them. Spirit, can I take one more? Can I get one more to understand why we have these two cards as the intention of this person for this particular week? Can I take one more card, please? Okay. Yes, now if you actually see, you have the Two of Wands, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Pentacles. So a very high chance that there is definitely somebody, either you or this other person, who is dealing with two people or two situations, and that's what is causing all this confusion. Okay, and that's why this relationship is at this present moment in this stage. Okay, so whoever this person is, be it you or the other person, has to think what they want in their life and have a very honest conversation with the other person. Okay, so that you can go ahead and understand and decide if you want or you don't want this in future. Now let's also take one crystal which will help you this week and a message from archangels. Okay, let's take one card. The card for you is Morganite. Okay, that's the crystal, and we have a crystal message for you, which is: are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe the best is yet to come? Make a clear decision to manifest the good in this moment. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spirituality in everyday living. So all the love that is in everything. So that's the crystal for you, and there's a message for you also from Archangel Uriel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all I have for you, Aries. Till the next video, please like, share, subscribe if you like the content of this video. And again, till next time, stay safe and love yourself first.